USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Swiss franc. Right, so before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, share, do all of that, press the bell notification. You can join Telegram, join the brokers, check out the links below my video. Coming back to the chart, starting with top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are still down in this Swiss franc, okay. But I think, yeah, so uptrend has started in weekly. I've explained this in my Sunday videos. If you go and watch my Sunday videos, I already have told you that USD has started the uptrend in USDCHF because this was your double bottom, okay? Double bottom, new high, pullback, and we're going to go up. So this is your early detection of the uptrend in weekly. If you wait for weekly EMA to be broken, you will lose all the money. Lose as in, you will miss all the opportunities, okay? Because EMA is at 8400 in weekly, okay? In weekly, the EMA is at 84680 and right now we are at 80. So if you listen to me right now that we are in the uptrend, you would make $400. But if you wait for the EMA confirmation, you will be behind 400 pips, okay? So coming back, yeah, 400 pips, not dollars. Coming back to daily chart here, daily we are zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. So we have to wait for the breakout. This is your hammer, okay? Friday, this is your hammer, rejection has come, we will go up, okay, because overall the dollar is supposed to go up this coming week, okay. So this is zigzag. So on daily you can't really make out, but here we have the, this is your uptrend, pullback, then zigzag, and then this is your what we call rejection, and then we are supposed to go up. The reason is dollar is supposed to go up, so USDCHF has to go up as well, okay. Coming back to 4 hour, we are wandering just above the EMI. So this is we start off a new trend. So this was your downtrend. Then I think downtrend faced here, and then this is your uptrend. Then pullback, and then we are supposed to continue the uptrend. Okay. So I'll be looking for longs in USDCHF. But if you don't want to trade USDCHF, trust me, there's so many pairs to trade. Okay. If you have the expertise, you can do analysis and you know what you're doing. You will get trades every single fucking day, okay? There's no shortage of trades if you know what you're doing, not just blindly. Don't take trades blindly, okay? You don't have to force yourself to take trades blindly until you don't see a clean setup, okay? Anyway, so this was your downtrend, which is supposed to be over as per me for now. New uptrend, pullback, we are supposed to continue going up. Reason for my theory is that overall dollar is going to go up because dollar has been going down in last 10 days. Now it's time for dollar to go up, so look for longs. That's all I have for you, and go and watch my USD CAD video. I have given 200 pips for free in my USD CAD video, so go and watch that, and then go and pay my fees. You will find the links below my video. You can see here it says pay my fees or join Telegram, do all of that, and I'll see you at my next video. Subscribe, like. Till then, take care.